Chapter 5, Case Problem 3. Jason Gaules requires some additional financial reports. Requirement 1. Prepare and print the accounts receivable aging summary report for January 31st, 2012. And I already did this. I was able to do this by going to the icon bar, clicking on reports, then going to customers and receivable, double-clicking accounts receivable aging summary, and then changing the date to January 31st of 2012. Go to Customize Report, Header and Footer, unselect Date Prepared, Time Prepared, and add your name to the extra footer line. Click Right Alignment, go to Fonts and Numbers, and select Without Sense, and you're going to click OK. To memorize, you would name it Accounts Receivable Aging, save in Memorize Report Group, select your name, then click OK. And then it wanted us to write a brief paragraph in which we explain the status of the largest balance, that is, how old it is and what was sold and so on, which I have done here. And that is how you do requirement 1. Moving on to requirement 2. Prepare and print the accounts payable aging summary report for January 31st, 2012. I was able to do this by going to Reports, selecting Vendors and Payable, double-clicking Accounts Payable Aging Summary Report, changing the date to January 31st of 2012, going to Customize Report, select Header and Footer, unselect Date Prepared and Time Prepared, select Left Alignment, add your name to the extra footer line, go to Fonts and Numbers, select Without Sense, and then click OK. Then to memorize, click that. Name this Accounts Payable Aging, save in Memorize Report Group, select your name, click OK. And it wanted us to write a brief paragraph explaining the status of the largest balance and how old it is, what was purchased, and so on. And I did this. And that is how you do requirement 2.